This 5-minute solution will show you how to view the story archive of a Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to see your Facebook page story archive. First of all, open your Facebook, and now we need to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on menu and tap on this arrow icon and select your Facebook page. Now go to your page profile and tap on this three dot. Tap on archive and select story archive. And here you will get all of your story archive. Currently, I don't have any story in my archive, so here's nothing showing up. So this is how we can view our story archive of a Facebook page. And if you didn't enable story archive, then you won't get any archive story here. So all you have to need to enable, tap on this gear icon at the top right and make sure to enable save to archive. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.